All right, so let's imagine that after you have um, drafted your methods section, oh my goodness, methods, you are working on your results. Let's say that in your experiment, you need a chart, you need a graph, you need something. So let's say that you went with the baking experiment and you need to look at the results of your experiment in a graph. Microsoft Word makes this really easy. So if we come into insert, we can select chart. Okay. So let's say that I just want to make a regular old bar graph, which isn't as easy as it used to be, huh? So let's say that I'm just going to do man, I don't like any of these. I like plain charts. I'm a very simple person. All right. So if I decide on a chart, Microsoft Word is going to go ahead and open up an Excel file for me to put my information in. So let's say that I just want to look at, let's see, so I'll do my control, my double, and my half. Let's say that for my experiment, I am doubling or halving the baking powder in a batch of cookies, okay? And I want to see what the diameter and the height are of my cookies. I'm just going to delete these other two categories, okay? All right, so you can see at the bottom, it has automatically updated my information for the bars, so we can see which one is the control, which one is the doubled, and which one is the half. So let's say that I am working with inches here. So let's say that my cookies are 2 inches. Of course, you would be using real measurements. And we're going to want to also look at the height. So we'll say that's in inches. So we've got 1 inch here. Let's say that was doubled. And they were sad little cookies in my half group. So you can put in your information there. If you come up here and click on the chart, you can alter your chart elements. So let's see, let's do some, you can label that way. You can change your layout. You can move your chart around. You could change colors if you wanted to. Let's say that I really don't like the gray, so I wanted to move to this one. That would be completely fine. I like to label my axis. I want to show that this is inches, so I will definitely fix that. In APA, you don't need a chart title. You put in a label for your figure. Charts, pictures, anything that is a graphic is going to be a figure, and anything that's a table is going to be a table. And you number them sequentially. So all of your figures are numbered in a sequence, and all of your tables are numbered in a sequence. So if you had a figure like this chart and you had a table, you would have figure 1 and table 1. If you had 2 charts, you'd have figure 1, figure 2. 2 tables, table 1, table 2. And then I would put my title. say this is for the cookie measurements, for example. Cookie measurements in inches. Okay. And there you go. So then you can close out your chart, and you've got your nice little figure there. If you needed to, you could include a note beneath your chart. That would be absolutely fine. Oh yeah, I think I need to. There we go. All right. So charts, super simple. Same thing for figures. If you needed to put in a picture, you can come on back to insert, and you can put in a picture. You can also right click and insert some things if you have something already copied to your clipboard to put in. So once again, I hope this is helpful. If you need me, please let me know.